Okay guys, what's going on? So Atlas and Billy went and got eggs yesterday out of the chicken coop, and check this egg out. I've never seen anything like this. Don't laugh. What is that? Have you ever seen that on an egg? There's the whole thing. I mean, it's like the umbilical cord came with it. But look at that. What does that look like? And it's hard. I mean, it don't look it, but the shell's hard. That's crazy. That's the funniest thing I've ever seen. Now that's a chicken egg right there. I bet if we hatched it, it would be a boy. Yeah. So there's that egg. Tell me if you've ever seen an egg like that. So that's pretty cool. That's different. It's funny. Okay, y'all have a great day. See y'all.